I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen.
Happy Valentine's Day. Well, today is the 15th actually. And we are going to our favorite restaurant. I want to see today if I can stream the drone footage. That would be interesting. Hey man, how you doing? Oh shit, sorry. Lynn was like, did you see his gender?
A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
So, there's a dog walking right next to us. And here's the Misha. Hi, Misha.
Hi.
Hi. Whoa, the light is strong, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're going to the wilderness. Okay.
I wanna land.
And here,
Land.
Baba whale and Mama whale say goodbye to the child as they go to experience the world.
What? I didn't agree with that.
You can still see her, but she's not sure yet.
So I told her to go over there when we can see her.
Oh, okay.
This one is not quite ready yet for this type of adventure.
Yeah. I can show you the world. Come on, YouTube, calm down. It's just me saying it.
Are you coming? Okay.
No, we're just gonna sit here.
It's like what?
What's up, bud?